Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today I have a great tip for those of you who are struggling with the front-facing camera always flipping. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can flip the front-facing cameras for selfies and videos with a simple setting. Let's get started. All right, to kick things off, let's open our camera application and we are gonna flip it to the front-facing camera. You can see me here. Let's focus in on my hand on the right side, the camera on the left, and take a quick picture here. Now, when I tap on the preview, you're going to see that now the camera's on the right, my hand is on the left. Well, this new feature built into iOS 14 in the settings application, if you find your camera section, it's called Mirror Front Camera. And all you have to do is enable that feature. And now when you take your selfies or videos, we'll do it again. If you look at the preview, it's now going to be exactly how you saw it when you took the photo. So the mirroring is gone, and that's a feature that's been missing from iOS for so long. If you had older photos, for example, let's say we had this one, it was older, we can tap edit. We could tap this option right here. You can also flip it using that button there. So in your preview of your photos as well. So if you did have older photos and videos, you can still flip them this way, but I can't believe it took Apple this long to add this feature. And it's so easy. Just have the mirror front camera setting enabled in the camera settings of the settings application and you're good to go. So I hope you guys found this helpful and enjoyable. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos. Lastly, if you're looking for more tips and tricks just like this one here, there's a full playlist with tons of iPhone and iOS related videos with tips, tricks, tutorials, guides, problem solving, all kinds of stuff. Check that out and get the most out of your iPhone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.